Hi, welcome to Yoga with Vid. Today I'll be teaching you on how to get into a child's pose. So grab your mat and let's get into it.
Child's pose, also known as balasana. Kneel on the mat with your knees separated as wide as your hips. Come on your palms, bring one foot above the other, your big toe to touch. Slightly press back with your hands to keep your hips in contact with your heels. On an exhale, start walking your hands as far as you can, lowering your upper body and forehead into the mat. Keep your arms long and extended, palms facing down. Relax the muscle on your face. Allow all tension in your shoulders, arms, and neck to melt away. If this stretch is too difficult to hold, bring yourself up by walking your hand backwards, bringing the knees closer, and then walking the hands forward, bringing your upper body to melt into the ground. Keep your eyes closed here. It will help you to turn your awareness inwards. Stay here for a few breaths. Whenever you're ready to get out of the pose, walk your hands back gently and press yourself up into a sitting position.